Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all of the crazy things that I seem to step on. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's just about 11 o'clock. I still got my coffee, so we're kind of in that realm of coffee time. However, I am very excited to talk to you today about a very important... Oh my goodness, my dog. What's wrong? I don't know. We got people running everywhere because it's Christmas, so she's a little sad because my son, her favorite boy, left. So, anyways, getting back on topic, we've got a very I think I got a really great episode for you today because I want to talk to you about something so important for so many of us content creators, voiceover actors, video creators, whoever is creating content. We're going to talk about where to find free background music. Okay, that's also royalty free. So this is really important. So we're going to talk about two places today, actually, that you can find free background music for your project. Okay, so real quick, if you haven't done so, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you really like everything, hit the notification bell so that when I do post a video or go live, you can check it out. All right. Also, make sure you check out the link below to A VO's Journey Elite Academy because, we're offering 50% off the first month. And when we, after Christmas and December's over, we're going to be taking that special away. So make sure you get on top of that while you can. All right, so with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and discuss the two places that you can find free background music, okay? And the first place that we're going to go to, all right, is we're going to go to YouTube Studio, okay? So let me show you, all right? So we're going to go to YouTube Studio here, and I've pulled up kind of like just a blank account here and YouTube Studio, and this is really cool because you can create a free YouTube Studio. Even if you don't have YouTube, you can create your own YouTube channel. You have a Gmail account, you can create a YouTube channel, and basically this will pop up, all right, under your studio. And over here on the left hand side, you'll have all of these things, all right, dashboard, content, analytics, etc., etc. We want to go down to audio library. All right, so if you click on audio library, all right, that's going to take you to this page where you have all sorts of different free background music pieces, jingles, whatever that you can find on here. It's really awesome. So like, let's say I wanted to do something where let's see, corporate. All right, so we've got all kinds of different... Now, this is because it's inside, so you've got music, you've got sound effects, all right? So if I want to talk about, I don't know, something maybe we'll say upbeat, okay? Let's see, we've got something... And you can just download these. I mean, we've got all sorts of free stuff here. There's sound effects. All right, you could type in sound effects. We've got, let's see, truck driving and parking structure. All right, no, anyways, so you've got a little search filter here. So this is great, and these are all free. And I mean, you know what I mean? And you can kind of go over here. You can use these audio tracks in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. All right, it's a really, really great resource. It's free. You don't need to pay for any of this. You just need to sign up for YouTube, and you're all right there. So I absolutely love this. So this is the first place that you can find free music. Now, I will admit that it takes you a little bit of time when you are searching for free music on this audio library to get the right keywords that you're searching for, okay? Because it's not set up. Like, for example, if you're trying to do like a voicemail, or you're trying to do, a commercial, or you're creating something, you know what I mean? Like those specific buzzwords, or keywords, you can put them in. But like something like, for example, if you had a subscription to audio, like story blocks, you know what I mean? And you type in, like phone message or IVR or meditation, things like that, it'll pop up. You know what I mean? Like, so it's got the cross sectioning there is a lot better, but here, it's got to be kind of in the title. But, so I typed in meditation. So I think, like if you're doing something, with meditation, something that you want soothing, you might want to look at other words than just the specific, like meditation, like I said, soothing, different types of keywords. Okay. All right. So, but there is a massive, massive free library here on YouTube. Okay. So that's number one. Now, number two, which has become something that I'm just so excited about, I'm using, because I have Storyblocks, I've got Envato Elements. These are all paid subscriptions to places, but one of the places that I have fallen in love with, and I'm so happy they've done, is Pixibay. So it's pixibay.com. This site has, first off, it started with just, stock images, free and royalty-free stock images, and they're gorgeous too. I mean, they really have beautiful, beautiful stock images, all right? But they've added now video footage and music, background music. It is absolutely wonderful. So if you go here to music, all right, and, basically you could type in, we'll say, let's see, soothing relaxation. All right, we're just going to type that in. Really wonderful. Anyway, so like for the things that we do, you know what I mean, we can find so much. I mean, it's just a massive library here of so many. I mean, like it's wild, and it's all free. I mean, all of it is free. It's all full licensing. Okay, I mean, it really is. This is upbeat. I mean, that's perfect for voicemail IVR or something. There's what I really like about Pixibay too is that a lot of their stuff is up to date. You know what I mean? Like it's more modern in some places. A lot of places that you go to, sometimes the music is like all they have is classical free music, you know what I mean? And that plays a part. But a lot of what we do, in production, we need things that are more modern too. So I really love Pixibay. It also has different types of filters over here. It's all free. It's all free. Now, just so you know, I'm not actually like promoting. Well, I mean, I don't get anything for promoting YouTube or Pixibay. I just wanted to do a video showing you guys about these great resources. And the cool thing too is it's got sound effects too, right? Which is, I mean, just as, fantastic, especially those people who are creating, content that requires effects. I mean, I hope my thing is on. Let's see, am I using loopback? Okay, good. So you should be hopefully hearing all those effects. But listen, I hope that this has helped you. Or let me go back up. I hope that these two have really kind of given you a new lease on life, because it can be exhausting trying to find, free audio, royalty-free audio, free audio. It's exhausting, and you never quite know what the licensing is, and, you can't pay for things, but it's so nice to have a stable site like YouTube or like Pixibay that's not going anywhere. Pixibay has been around for a long time, years and years and years and years, and we know YouTube, so this should be a great resource. Listen, I hope this has helped. It was just kind of a straightforward video on where to find some free background music for your work. So thank you so much. Remember, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and like this if you can, and share it. And also check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy. Have a wonderful Wednesday. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.